What's up, gang? I'm back with another video. Today I'm getting my truck detailed for the first time by my boy Wardell's detailing services on Sumter, South Carolina. So if you're ever stopping by, make sure you contact him. If your car, truck, anything's dirty, you know, contact him for any information. I'll have his info in my description. All that links, everything you need. You guys' Instagram is Wardell / well, it's actually underscore detailing. So it's actually on my Instagram. If you got me on Instagram, go ahead and follow that. But yeah, he's the only one that touched my truck so far. You guys know that I'm the only one that really touched my truck when I'm washing, because I really don't trust anybody else. But I trust him because he does a very good job. And by far looking at it, it looks like glass. And I'm amazed. I'm really amazed because, like I said, I had no one ever touched my truck before. This is the first time I ever done so. So looking at somebody work on my truck compared to my work, damn, I need to do better. But it, you know, it's a little bit better. I'm not gonna tell him that, but he did a very good job. But we got a lot going on in this video. I'm testing out my new gimbal that I got, actually, which is not, I did most of the video already. You're gonna see later on in this video. And my new tripod, which I have on right now, and my new mic, which I have right now. And plus I got a new camera, which I'm using right now, the A7iv, which is very good. Let's check out the details. But yeah, we're about to get into some action. We're about to check out his work and the final product. And actually, we're gonna start from start to finish for his work. So let's get into it.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy, the energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. Oh, I can feel it, yeah. Oh, I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it, I feel it. Oh, 'cause I can feel the energy, energy.
Alright, so he's done with the detailing, all the whole wash and all. He just did the outside. I didn't need the inside done, obviously. I'll do that myself, because I have that dog in there and he just makes a whole mess every time. But he's done. He's on the phone right now. I'm gonna let him introduce himself to you guys. So after he's got the phone, you know, he can chop it up for a little bit, and that will conclude this video. But he's the first and last guy to work on this car, well, this truck actually, because you all know I like to clean my truck myself. you know, work on my truck myself. You know, do everything myself for the truck. But there's Wardell, guys.
Owner of Wardell's Detailing.
Wardell's _ detailing.
That's the page on Instagram right there.
As you see, his link will be in my description as followed.
There is a booking link to follow that as well.
A booking link. Check out the work. Looks amazing. Looks like glass. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I highly recommend it.
But it also depends on what the client Tyree wants to rate it too as well. So,
Right.
so for that, for Tyree, what do you rate that for?
I rated it 10 out of 10 as well. It's pretty good. I like it. So by that, this will conclude this video. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you like what you see, make sure you tell other friends to subscribe to this channel as well. And we are out.
Now I get hurt, then you. Fuck my hoe, then you. I ain't got no points to prove. I got